Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch, I'd rather sleep in the booth.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Tatiyonna Raelynn back with another video, and today I am giving myself a silk press because your girl look a mess. Look at that hair, it looks a mess. I just got done washing it and now I'm gonna put some Olaplex Part 6 in. It is a heat protectant and it just helps build the bonds of your hair. It's like a leave-in conditioner almost. And then I also put additional heat protectant in, and I'll show you guys that as well. But yeah, I'm just brushing my curls out, and yeah, I'm gonna blow dry it, flat iron it, and we'll be all good to go. So continue watching the video, and I'll see y'all at the end. Bye. Hey YouTube, so this is the finished product. I just came from under the dryer. Silk pressed by me. Anyways, I got my lashes on. Now I'm about to put Beauty Talk Cosmetics on. This is how it looks. It's in the color Brat. And that will complete this look. I ain't got no makeup on. I just got lashes and lip gloss. And these lashes are in the style South Africa. Again, the lip gloss is the color Brat. I will have my website linked below, so y'all go check that out. This is the finished product. Super silky, super shiny. It's getting long. I did the rice water challenge. I'm gonna do it again and I'll record it, but it has gotten so much longer from that. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. See y'all in the next video. Bye.